Which is the largest state of India? Answer C. Rajasthan. Which one of the following states does not have a railway station? Answer B. Meghalaya. Which one of the following is not a desert district of Rajasthan? Answer A. Kota. Which one of the following is a coastal district of Tamil Nadu? Answer B. Kanyakumari. The state which has developed wind energy is? Answer A. Gujarat. In which state the percentage of Christian population is highest? Answer B. Kerala. Which of the following state is the most famous for its beautiful sea beaches? Answer B. Goa. Which one of the following is not a union territory? Answer D. Tripura. Maximum number of sugar factories are located in? Answer A. Uttar Pradesh. The largest union territory of India is? Answer C. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which state of India shows the lowest population as per census 2011? Answer D. Sikkim. As per 2011 census data, the overall sex ratio in the country is? Answer B. 940. The study of population is called? Answer C. Demography. Density of population shows? Answer D. Man-land ratio. The highest populated city in India is? Answer C. Mumbai. In which state is the literacy rate of women the highest? Answer A. Kerala. Sex ratio is calculated as? Answer C. Number of females per 1000 males in a country. Which state in India has the largest coastline? Answer C. Gujarat. At Barren Island, the only active volcano in India is situated in? Answer A. Andaman Islands. Which of the following cities is the new capital of Simandhra? Answer. Amravati. Which state of India is leading in solar energy generation? Answer B. Rajasthan. Which is called the Lake District of India? Answer A. Nainital. Which of the following state is surrounded by Bangladesh from 3 sides? Answer D. Tripura. Which of the following states has the lowest literacy rate? Answer C. Bihar. Which state has the longest coastline? Answer C. Gujarat. Where is the headquarters of the Botanical Survey of India located? Answer C. Kolkata. Where is Indian Institute of Petroleum located? Answer C. Dehradun. Which cities were first conducted by the STT services? Answer D. Kanpur and Lucknow. Which city is referred to as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer D. Bangalore. Who was the first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest? Answer A. Bachendri Pal. Which of the following is called the shrimp capital of India? Answer D. Nellore. Where is National Chemical Laboratory NCL located? Answer C. Pune. The present name of Kamrupa is? Answer A. Assam. Which one of the following is known as the Pearl City? Answer D. Hyderabad. The famous tourist center Mahabalipuram is located near? Answer C. Chennai. The first short-based integrated steel plant in the country is? Answer C. Visakhapatnam. Who was the creator of the famous rock garden of Chandigarh? Answer D. Nek Chand. The atomic power station in Rajasthan is situated at? Answer C. Raut Bhata. The Wheeler Island has been renamed as? Answer C. Abdul Kalam Island. Where is the island of Man located? Answer A. Between Northern Ireland and England. Where are most of the Earth's active volcanoes concentrated? Answer B. Pacific Ocean. Where is Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake in the world, located? Answer A. USA. Which of the following rivers flow in Germany? Answer C. Danube. What is the longest mountain range in the world above sea level? Answer A. Andes Mountains. Where is Normandy Beach located? Answer A. France. Dikes are specially constructed in? Answer B. Holland. Colorado in USA is famous for this land from? Answer A. Grand Canyon. Where is Ground Zero? Answer B. New York. Which two countries are connected by an underwater canal? Answer D. France and England. The deepest trench of the world, the Mariana Trench, is located in the? Answer D. Pacific Ocean. Which one of the following parts of the world does not receive rainfall any times of the year? Answer C. Polar regions. Which one of the following is the highest gravity dam in the world? Answer C. Bhakra Dam. Black forests are found in? Answer B. Germany. The largest island in the world is Greenland. It is an integral part of? Answer C. Denmark. The main reason for deforestation in Asia is? Answer A. Excessive fuel wood collection. Suez Canal connects. Answer B. Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Which one of the following is a landlocked sea? Answer D. Aral Sea. Which one of the following volcanoes is situated in Mexico? Answer A. Colima. Which one of the following is called Ring of Fire? Answer A. Circum-Pacific Belt. Great Barrier Reef of Australia is located parallel to. Answer A. East Coast. Selvas are. Answer B. Equatorial Rainforest of Brazil. Sunda Strait lies between. Answer C. Java and Sumatra. The Strait of Gibraltar is situated in the. Answer A. Iberian Peninsula. Source of River Nile is. Answer B. Lake Victoria. The equatorial forests of the Amazon basin in South America are known as. Answer A. Selva. Which one of the following is the longest river in the world? Answer C. Nile. Which one of the following is the largest lake in the world? Answer B. Caspian Sea. In geography, Gulf Stream refers to. Answer A. A warm ocean current. The Strait of Gibraltar provides entry into the. Answer D. Atlantic Ocean. The Chinese river known as Yellow River is. Answer A. Huanghe. Fishing grounds of the world are found in the areas where. Answer B. Warm and cold currents meet. The world famous Serengeti Wildlife Sanctuary is located in. Answer B. Tanzania. Which is the largest existing mangrove forest in the world? Answer C. Sundarbans. The Victoria Falls are on the river. Answer B. Zambezi. Dead Sea is called so because. Answer B. It does not support any aquatic life. Kangaroos, platypus and koala bears are wildlife of. Answer A. Australia. The Panama Canal links. Answer A. Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. Volcanic activity is more common in. Answer A. Hawaii. The river which has a greater flow of water than any other river in the world is. Answer B. River Amazon. The largest delta in the world is. Answer A. Sundarbans. The world's largest island. Answer C. Greenland. Peshawar is near to. Answer Khyber Pass. The temperate grassland of South America are called. Answer B. Pampas. The straits separate Australia and Tasmania. Answer A. Baz. The largest coral reef in the world is found near the coast of. Answer B. Australia. The longest river of Europe is. Answer D. Volga. Asia and North America are separated by. Answer C. Bering Strait. The Grand Canyon is on the river. Answer A. Colorado. Grassland is called pampas in. Answer B. South America. Panama Canal was constructed in. Answer D. 1914 AD. The region famous for many kind of wine and champagne is. Answer C. Mediterranean. Which is the hottest place on earth? Answer B. El Azizia, Libya. Sundarbans is in. Answer A. Indian Ocean. Select the correct direction of Sirocco storm. Answer A. Sahara to Mediterranean Sea. Which among the following is an abiotic factor? Answer B. Moisture. The Panama Canal is different from Suez Canal as it has. Answer A. Lock system. Llanos are the grassland of. Answer D. Chile. About how much of the world's land area is tropical rainforest? Answer B. 7%. Which one of the following is the world's largest desert? Answer C. Sahara. Sahara is located in which part of Africa? Answer C. Northern part. Thank you for watching this video.